What the hell happens when you crack your knuckles? You've heard the shit. Cracking your knuckles is going to ruin your joints and give you arthritis. But is that true? Fuck no. Here's the lowdown. Your joints are filled with this slick shit called synovial fluid. Kind of like lube for your bones so they don't rub together like two cheap-ass pieces of sandpaper. When you crack your knuckles, you're just making gas bubbles in that fluid burst. And that sound you hear? It's just those little fuckers popping, not your bones snapping like a dry twig. So chill the fuck out. You're not ruining your hands unless you're out here cracking your knuckles with a goddamn sledgehammer. You're just throwing a bubble party inside your joints. No need to freak out. You a knuckle cracker or a knuckle hater? Drop a comment and hit that follow for more body chaos from Testosterone Doctor.